Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the square root. Okay. In the last class we have learned the square. I hope you are understood the last class concept square and alternate methods of squaring numbers. Okay. Today we are going to learn the square root. The square root means the reverse of the square. Opposite of the square is called the square root. Opposite of the square is called the square root. Okay. Opposite of the square. For example, the square of 7 squared. Okay. The square of, for example, the square of 7 square. What is the value? 49. Is it? 7 sevens are 49. What is the square root of 49? 49. So the square root of 49 is reverse. Okay. So reverse of that 7. How do you write the square root of 49? That is, the square root of 49 is equal to 7. How did write? See this. Square root of 49. 49 can be written as 7 into 7. Okay. So square root of 7 into 7 can be written as 7 square. The value of the square root is, here the value is square root of, square means 2. So that is called, in this place represent the value is 2. Okay. So here need not to write the value of 2, but it's specified the value of 2. The square root of 2, the power of 1 by 2. In this side, write the value of square root of 2 can be written as the power of the given value 1 by 2. என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்கோ அதோடைய பவரை என்ன செய்யணும், எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ 7 ஸ்கொயர், what is the value of square root? 1 by 2. Square root value is 1 by 2. Cube root means here should write it 2. So the power of 1 by 3. The power of the number, write with the power of 1 by 3. And thus 4 square root of 5. These are the called the surd. These are all called the surd. It can written 1 by 4. The power of 1 by 5. The power of 1 by 5. These types are called the surd. It has special names, the square root and cube root. Okay. So the multiple power of power rule already you know. So 2 will be cancelled. We can write directly. So we have directly write square root of 49. Write in the 7. And next one more example, square root of 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. So this square root and square will be cancelled. So answer is 5. Okay. So square root of 36 can written as 3. So 6, 36 means 6 6 are 36. So square root and square will be cancelled. So 6. So square root of 49 is 7. For square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 36 is equal to 6. The reverse order, we get the reverse value. Okay. Opposite the square. Opposite of the square is called the square root. Okay. So 121. Square root of 121 is 11. Okay, 225. 15. How? The square root of 11 11s are 121. So 11 square. The square and square root will be cancelled. So answer is 11. Okay. Here also 15 15s are. 15 15s are 255. So 225. So square root of 15 square. So square and square root will be cancelled. So answer is 15. Okay. I hope you all understood the square root. It has 3 types of methods. It has a square root, finding the square root using the 3 types of methods. The first one is successive subtraction of a number, and second one is tens and ones method, and third one is prime factorization method. Third one is prime factorization method. Okay. Here, say one more note for here. Square root of 49 is equal to 7, is it? Square root of 49 also minus 7 also. Why? How? Because see, the square root of minus 7 into minus 7, the square root of 49, is it? So what is that square value? Square root. So square root of minus 7 the whole square. The square will be cancelled. So answer is minus 7. So square root of 49 also minus 7. So every positive number of the square having 2 roots. How many roots? 2 roots. One is positive, another one is negative. So this is one of the note. Okay. Every positive number has 2 square roots. 2 square roots. One positive, one positive integer and the other it's negative integer. One is positive integer, the other one is it's negative. Other negative. So minus 7 means plus 7. So every positive number has 2 square roots. How many square roots? 2 square roots. So here 11. So 11 and another one of that minus 11. Okay. So it can written as, for example, for 2 positive roots, square root of 121. Okay. So you know that value 11. So 2 positive square roots are there. Okay. So it can return as plus or minus 11. The square root of 121 is equal to plus or minus 11. The square root of 25 is equal to plus or minus 5. That's meaning it has a 2 square roots. What are there? One is positive 11 and the another one is negative 11. Here one is positive 5, another one of us negative 5. Okay. And now see the method of finding the square root. Method of finding the square root. The first method is successive subtraction. What is that? Successive subtraction of odd number. Odd number. And second one is tens and ones method. Tens and ones method. And third one is prime factorization method. Okay, now see the first one, successive subtraction of odd numbers. So clearly understand from the topic, is it? Successive means continuously. Okay, aduthu subtraction of odd numbers. Odd numbers already you know that. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. It's going. Okay, so odd numbers you know. Subtraction, so the given number is subtracted successively by the odd numbers. That is the method 1. Okay, and next one is ones, tens and ones method. Okay, so clearly here also given, see the ones and tens places. Okay, so ones and tens places 1, 4 or 6 or 9 is possible digits is successively get the square values. And prime factorization method we have using the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 6. 6 is a prime? No. 2, 3, 5. These are all the prime numbers. 5, 7, endlessly infinite number of prime numbers are there. Okay, so using the prime numbers and simplify, we get the square root of the given number. Now see the first type, successive subtraction of a odd number. See the example. Example 12. Find the square root of 169 by using the method of repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction or successive subtraction are same meaning. Okay, so continuous subtraction. How do you find out? See solution. First 169. Okay, what are the odd numbers? Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So endlessly going. Okay ma. So first which odd number? 1. Subtracted from 169. What we get? 168. And second one 168. Second odd number is 3. So 168 minus 3, 165. And next one, right, 165. Next odd number is 5. So 160. Okay. Next fourth one. Fourth time. So 160 minus next odd number is 7. Subtracted from 160. What we get? 153. Fifth one. 153 minus fifth odd one is 9. What we get? 9, 4, 4, 1. So 144. So 6 times 144 minus 11. What we get? 3, 3, 1. 133. Okay. Right. 6, 1. And next one 7th. 133 minus next one of that. Still we get the value as 0. You will proceed this method. Okay, so 133 and next one 11 after 13. So 0 to 120. 120 and next 8th one. 120 minus 13 after next odd number is 15. So subtract 5 0 1. 9th number 105 minus 17. 105 minus 17 is 88 and next 10th one is 88 minus 19 is 69 and next 11th one is 69 minus 21, so 48 and 12th 48 minus 23 25 and 13th one 25 minus next odd number is 25. The term will be 0. So how many times we have successfully subtraction of odd numbers? How many times? 1 to 13 times. Therefore the square root of 169 is equal to, the value is 13. The square root of 169 is equal to 13. Already you know that value, is it? Multiple of 13 13s are 169. So square will be cancelled. We get the answer as 13. Okay. So this is the successive subtraction method. Okay. I hope you all understood. First, write the subtracted from the given number by 1. Next odd number, third odd number. So up to 13th odd number, subtract, we get the value will be 0. We get the value was 0. So the square root of 169 is equal to 13. Okay. Now see the next one of the method. Second method, tens and ones method. Ones and tens are tens and method. Okay, I will directly go to the example, then only you can easily understand. Okay, so example 13, find the square root of 6561 by finding its ones tens method. Finding its ones tens method. Okay, so first one, the ones digit of the given number. Okay, first one, the observe the ones digit. The first step, observe the ones digit of the perfect square. Perfect square irunduchina, okay amma, determine the digit in the ones place in the square root is discussed earlier, is it? Already you know that ones place is 1. What are the possibilities? So 1 irukano, abdi illena 9 irukum, because 1 squared value is 1 and 9 squared value is also 1. 9 squared is 81. The ones place of 9 squared value is 1. Okay, at the same time 2 square value is 4. At the same time 8 square value also 64. At the ones place is 4. Okay, these are the perfect squares. These are the perfect square. Okay, if the perfect square has 1 or 4 or 6 or 9, then there are two possible 1 digits. There are two possible digits, is it? Suppose 1 square 1, 9 square also the ones places in 1. Okay, and 2 square is 4 and 8 square is equal to 64. Okay, the ones places are 4. Okay, and then 4 square 16 square 36. These are all the ones places 36, that is given. Okay, these are the perfect square. These are the perfect squares. The ones place are these numbers. We have identified. These are all the perfect square. After, strike out the last two digits. So first verify that rule. After, strike out the last two digit. Have considered the remaining numbers. Okay, the digit obtained in the first step. Now consider the left over the numbers. Is this possibility? We have checking the square of the possibility. So 8 square is 64. 8 square is 64. And then 9 square. So 9 square means more than 1, more than 65. That is 9 square value was 81. 9 square value was 81. So we have verified like that. See, solution. First, check the ones digit. Okay, first step. The ones digit of the given number is 1. Is it? The ones digit is of the given number is 1. And next, therefore, so the ones digit of the square root, what are the possibility of square root? We get the value of 1, 1 and 9, 1 or 9. Okay, 1 or 9. So square root is either 1 or 9. That is the second step. Okay, now strike out the two values. Strike out the third step. Now strike out two digits from right. So these two are cancelled. Okay, now consider the digit. Now we get the digit 65. Now we get the digit 65. So what are the possibility of 65? 8 square. 8 square is equal to 64. 64 is less than 65. Okay. 64 is less than 65. And another possibility, whereas 9 square. Next one of the consecutive square is 9 square. So 9 square value was 81. So is greater than, is it? Is greater than the value of 65. Greater than the value of 65. Hence, the tens digit tens digits of the square root is 8. Is it? It's only possible because 64 is less than 65, but that 9 squared is 81 is greater than 65. It's not possible. So hence the tens digit of the square root is 8. Okay, already find the ones digit of the square root is either 1 or 9. 1 இருக்கலாம் இல்ல 9 இருக்கலாம்னு find out பண்ணிருக்கோம். And tens digit is 8 ன்னு find out பண்ணிருக்கோம். Okay வா? Now find out that. So the square root of what is the value? 6561 is either tens place is 8, find out, is it? Tens place is 8, ones place is 1 or 89. So either 81 or 89, either 81 or 89. But 89 square is equal to 7921, 7921, which is not equal to 6561. Hence, so what is the possibility? The square root of 6561 is equal to 81. That's all. Okay, this method is called the ones tens method. So first check the ones places, first two place of the given number. Okay, these are all have considered the 1 squared 1 the perfect squares in the first two digit from the right side. First declare the ones places, after find out the strike out the first two numbers from the right side and strike out, after consider the remaining places of the given number, after find out the square value of the given number, find out the square value of the given number. So 65 is given, so 8 square is 64, so more than 1, so the 64 is less than 65, and whereas 9 square is 81 is greater than the 65. So the two possibles are there. Okay, so tens place digit is square root of 8 only possible, is it? அது அதிகமா இருக்கு, அது is not possible. So the tens digit of the square root is 8, and then find out the square root of 6561 is either 81 or 89, because the 1 square value is also 1 and 9 square value is also 1's place is 1. So you have apply and find out that it's not possible. So the answer is the square root of 6561 is equal to 81. Okay, see the another one of the example. Example 14. Find the square root of 13,225. 13,225 by finding its ones and tens digit. Okay, as usual, first write the ones digit. Okay, first point, the ones digit is 5, is it? So that number, the square root of the 5. Okay, so ones root of the number is 5. So ones digit of the square root is 5 only. Other possibility is not there, because the number end with 5. Okay, so only one possible of the square root is 5. Okay, and now find out the 10th. So strike out the last two digits. Last two digits. Third point is now strike out two digits from the right. Okay, we get what we get 132. We get the 132. Okay, now 11 squared is 121. Okay, next 11 squared is equal to 121 is less than 132. So whereas 12 square, okay, 12 square is equal to what is the value? 144 is greater than 132. Therefore the ones places, sorry, therefore yes, therefore the tens places, therefore the tens digit of the square root is 11. Okay, hence the square root of 13,225 is equal to 11 5. The tens place is 11, the ones place value is 5. So 115 is the answer for the square root of 13,225. Okay, now see the third method. Okay, so see the example. What is the meaning of prime? Prime numbers means greater than 1. It has exactly 2 factors. That is what? Which type of factors? 1 and itself only divide. Okay, that is called the prime numbers. Already know the prime numbers. What are there? 2 is the only one even prime, and 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, and then 17. So endlessly going. These are all the prime numbers. See the first example. Find the square root of 900 using the prime factorization method. Using the prime factorization method. Solution. Draw like this. Okay, write the numbers using the prime numbers only. Okay, so 900, so you have used the 3. So how many times 3 3s are 9. Next 3 3 ones are 3. Now using 2 2 5s are 10. 2 25 25. After 5 table, so 5 5s are, after 5 1. Okay, so arrange the factors in pair. Okay, make the pair of equal factors. Make pair of equal factors. Okay, so write the factors. So 900 is equal to 2 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5. Now find out the square root of 900 is equal to, make pair of equal factors. So square root we have take for this, we get the value 3 into 2 into 5, is it? Have take the square root. So the square and the square root will be cancelled. We get the value of the single value 3 to 5. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Thus the square root of 900 is equal to 30. The square root of 900 is equal to 30. And next one of the example. (16). Find the square root of 3136 using the prime factorization method. Three one 3 6. It's divisible in 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are, and 6 are, and then 8s are. After write 2 table, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are, and next also 2 table, 3s are, 9s are, 2s are. After 2 table, 2 ones are, 9s are, 6 are. Again 2 table. 9s are, 8s are. Again 2 table. 4 9, and then 7 table. 7 7s are 49. Okay. So now write the make a pair of factors, equal pair of factors. Okay, make write the equal factors. What are the 3 1 3 6 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and then 7 into 7. These are the pairs. Okay, so now find out the square root of 6. Square means we get the single values 2 2 2, okay, and 7. What is that value? 4 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. Hence the square root of 3136 equal to 56. I hope you all understood the today concept square root. Square root means the opposite of the square value is called the square root. Okay, every positive numbers having the two square roots, one is positive, another one is negative. And method of finding the square roots, what are the first method is successive subtraction of odd numbers, and second one is ones, tens and ones method, and third one is prime factorization method. I hope you all understood the today concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.